This is Japanese salt bread called Shio Pan in Japanese. It's super popular in Japan. It's soft and buttery, but not as rich as croissant. It's addictive and I love it. It's perfect for holidays. Let's get started. First, prepare the batter for rolling. Cut the batter into 6 to 8 gram buttons and keep them in the refrigerator until the dough is ready. Now let's make in the dough. Today, I'm using a stand mixer to knead the dough. Add the bread flour, sugar, and salt into the bowl and mix briefly to combine. This helps prevent the salt from touching the yeast directly. Add the yeast and start mixing on low speed to distribute evenly. Slowly pour in the water in a steady stream. Once the dough starts to come together, increase the speed to medium and knead for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's do a window pane test. Pinch off a small piece of dough and gently stretch it. If it stretches thin like paper without tearing, it's ready. If not, knead for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add the room temperature butter and continue kneading until the dough is smooth and elastic. Move on to the first rice. Shape the dough into a ball and press it into a lightly greased bowl. Turn it upside down once so the surface is coated with oil. This helps prevent drying. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm spot for 45 to 50 minutes until double in size. It looks good. So transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and divide into 8 pieces. Each piece is just under 2 ounces. Shape each piece into a ball, cover, and let them rest for 10 minutes. After resting, roll one piece into a circle. Fold it from the top and bottom, then fold in half and pinch to seal. And shape it into a cone. One end is sharp and the other wide. Press the seam side up. Roll the wide end to a small round shape and roll the sharp end into a thin strip about 1/5 inch thick. Take a butter button from the refrigerator. Press it in the center of the round part and roll it up tightly. Pinch the end to seal. Press the shaped dough onto a parchment-lined baking tray. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit. Let the dough rise again in warm place for about 30 minutes until almost doubled. Brush the top with the melted butter and sprinkle with a small amount of salt. Bake for 15 minutes and rotate the tray after 10 minutes for even browning. And they are done! Soft and fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside, with melted butter tucked into every bite. These Japanese salt bread are light, addictive, and perfect for the holiday table. Serve them warm and enjoy with French onion soup and chicken. I'm going to show you how to make this fried chicken next time. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. and join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!